Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, public holiday yesterday, and markets only open half day today, close at 1 o'clock US time. So, I don't suspect much going on. There are quite a few things that the bulls are trying to do at the moment. So, the bulls are looking for a weekly close above the previous weekly high, but I suspect we have a little bit of overhead resistance here. And we also have some right here where price is currently. So if you start drilling down through the time frames, you can see there are the weekly levels. So you have one up here, and then this is probably the one. There's the high. That is probably the one that we need to pay attention to. That's 40.50. So weekly close above 40.50 is obviously going to bring 4100 into play. So for me at the moment, this is looking a little bit oversold. As I said yesterday, lots of chaos, and then typical public holiday price action here with nothing going on. Today, what you do need to pay attention to, because the market does open for a bit, is pay attention to this area here at 40.32, and also try get your 4,000 level in. But I suspect this price action from Wednesday has defended that level. So that would probably be the better bet. So that's 40.18. Look at the oscillators easing off. So I suspect we're probably going to come back in this session, find some support, and then have a really short, quick attempt at getting through this 40.50 area. So I just want to check. There are gaps all over the DAX, and there is a gap down here on the S&P as well. So take it with a pinch of salt. We could also just plummet all the way back down here to 4,000. So there is a gap at 4,000 that hasn't been closed. So that's kind of the levels that I'd be paying attention to. First one is 40.32, then 40.18, then 4,000, and then 40.50 is my target area at the moment. So if you do have the time and you're on lower time frames and you're trading this during the US session, just pay attention to your structure, and you'll see that you will more than likely get an opportunity, something where you've got 30, 40 points, 50 point stop loss for a 100-point gain. So you could get a 2-to-1 trade during the session. But remember, it's only open half day. Yeah, that's it for me today. A little bit skeptical. More than likely going to sit on the side and just wait for next week. But next week is starting to set up quite nicely for us. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.